and the rough early lead is taken by Fuego by the rail. It's Fuego in the lead, followed by Showmaster on the outside. And on the farther outside is Negasi and Frying Ice, My Cup of Tea moving up on the inside, and Dr. Choice and bringing up the rear is 5 o'clock. And heading for the backstretch, it is still Fuego in the lead, followed by Showmaster in second. And running in third is Negasi. And in fourth is Frying Ice. Running in fifth, My Cup of Tea, Dr. Choice on the outside. And 5 o'clock. And nearing the fat turn, it is still Fuego by half a length, followed by Showmaster on the outside. Negasi running in third by 3.5 lengths, and Dr. Choice on the outside. Frying Ice by the rail, My Cup of Tea. Rounding the fat turn, the lead is taken over now by Showmaster, followed by Fuego, and Negasi closing in third. And Frying Ice on the outside. Dr. Choice, My Cup of Tea now moving up on the farther outside. The last bend for home, and still Showmaster in the lead, followed by Dr. Choice on the outside. Frying Ice on the farther outside is My Cup of Tea. And into the home stretch is Showmaster and My Cup of Tea now moving up on the outside to grab the lead. It is now My Cup of Tea, the favorite, leading the field, followed by Dr. Choice, Showmaster, Frying Ice, Negasi, and here comes 5 o'clock. And nearing the payoff line, it is still My Cup of Tea. And finally, the favorite, My Cup of Tea. Dr. Choice, Frying Ice, Showmaster, 5 o'clock, Negasi, and Fuego.